Hi guys, welcome back to Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. I hope you guys are doing good out there. As you can see, I am bringing you guys a crochet tutorial. It has been a long time since I've put together a crochet tutorial for my channel, and I'm really excited I was able to throw this one together. This is a really neat little project you could do, very easy, very quick to whip it up. As you can see in the picture there, you can use these crosses for lots of different things. You can use them to do like I did in this picture. I just hung them on the side of my frame picture. You can use them for appliques. You could hot glue a bobby pin on the back of them, and you could pin them on something. You could use a smaller hook and make them smaller. You could use them for bookmarks. A lot of people use crochet crosses in their Bibles, and you kind of put just like a ribbon on them to keep your page. Or there's just so many different ways you could use these crosses. You could get creative. I just think they're really pretty, good reminders to have hanging around your house or whatever of what our Lord did for us, his sacrifice on the cross when he sacrificed himself. So I enjoyed whipping these up, and they brought me joy. So I wanted to share that joy with you all. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're new here, welcome. Please like, comment, share, all those wonderful things. I would really appreciate it, guys. And without further ado, let's get into this. The first thing I'm going to do before the crochet tutorial starts is just quickly tell you guys the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need obviously some yarn. I used four worsted weight yarn. You can really use any kind of yarn you want. You can use cotton, acrylic, any kind of bulky yarn. You can just do what you want with that. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a yarn needle. You're obviously going to need a hook. A crochet hook, and if you are going to put the little embellishment like I did, you're going to need a hot glue gun. I picked up those embellishments I use in this tutorial at Walmart. They came in a little packet of I think there were about 10 in there, for a few dollars. And you're going to need some ribbon. And once you have all your supplies, you are good to go. So, like I said, without further ado, guys, here's the tutorial. God bless.